Turn on joins on Roblox. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on joins on Roblox. So to get started, go ahead and open Roblox into your browser and then make sure you're signed into your account. And then at the top right of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. So click on this and then click on settings under this, and that will take you into your settings page. So on your settings page, go ahead and head over into privacy and content restriction, and then head over to visibility and private servers. Now make sure that the visibility of your account, such as your online status, current experience, is set to everyone to be able to allow everyone to join you on the current experience that you are currently doing. Now, make sure to set private servers into everyone as well so that anyone can join your private servers. And that is how you can basically turn on joins on Roblox.